Okay, so we're gonna personalize a round frame here, and I'm gonna show you how to first personalize the frame itself, and then also upload a picture. Okay, so first we're gonna go to, and this would work for any of the close to home products. In this particular one, it's just wording. Some of them have special kinds of fonts that they can use and um, different sorts of like icons or whatever that you want to put on it. This one I'm gonna put I love you, and so then this will be actually laser etched on here. Okay, and then I'm going to save and add to cart on this one, and it will automatically take me to the photo that goes with it. Okay, and so just take a second. Sometimes it's slow depending on your internet connection or on the traffic on the website. So when you get to upload a photo, you're gonna select your photo by clicking this button, upload photo, and it'll take you to wherever your photographs are, whatever your last thing was. I'm going to go to, I have a special, oh, actually, I'll do this one. This one's cute. This is my daughter and I taken at her bridal shower. And so you'll see there's like a little, we're in progress. Okay, it resized the image for us. I'm going to move it over so that it's not like the wall. We don't want the wall of the garage. We'll just do the two of us, and I'll say finish. And now I'm doing this on my desktop, but you should have the same sort of things available to you on your phone. If your pictures are on your phone, that's probably the way that you want to do it. So it's going to take a little bit of time. It's going to process here first, and then you'll see it load over here. And over here is what you want to look at as far as what's cut off and, is this what I want? I have sometimes had to go out and add a background to the picture so that it will kind of take it out a little bit. I really love this picture, so I'm going to say save and add to cart. And then this disclaimer comes up. You can only use photographs that you own the rights to, so it's not copywritten by anyone else. So photographs of things like logos or sports teams and things like that, you cannot have. You don't own the rights to those, so you can't put those in a picture. And I have reviewed my product and accept the terms and conditions. So I've looked at it and I agree with that cutoff, how that's going to look when it's done. And so then I can add to cart. And it'll take just a second. Again, I live out in the country, so my internet's a little bit slower. Yours might go faster, might go slower, just depends, I guess, on your on what's going on with your internet and the traffic on your internet. So it will pop up here and say, oh, there it is. It was added to my cart. Then this will go away and it'll go back to the original. Just takes a minute for the website to reset. And now when I go to my cart, I can view my cart. Look at it's on sale big time. Check that out. Look at $68 originally. I just got that whole thing for 30 bucks. 31.77 without tax. That's with the personalizations because it's $8 to have that laser etched on the bottom. And then I can look at it and see the details. And it says here, it shows me that I have it saying I love you, and then it shows me the picture that I'm going to have added to it. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and happy shopping, okay? Bye-bye.